So I'm here. My name is Moh Rashid Umar as an Imam in Islamic Center of Quran. So I'd like to recite some of the Holy Quran, verses of the Holy Quran. If you allow me to recite it. Thank you. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. فاذكروني أذكركم واشكروا لي ولا تكفرون. يا أيها الذين آمنوا استعينوا بالصبر والصلاة إن الله مع الصابرين. ولا تقولوا لمن يقتل في سبيل الله أموات بل أحياء ولكن لا تشعرون. ولنبلونكم بشيء من الخوف والجوع ونقص من الأموال والأنفس والثمرات وبشر الصابرين الذين إذا أصابتهم مصيبة قالوا إنا لله وإنا إليه راجعون. أولئك عليهم صلوات من ربهم ورحمة وأولئك هم المهتدون. صدق الله العظيم. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. So remember me, I will remember you, and be grateful to me, and do not deny me. O you who have believed, seek help through patience and prayer. Indeed, Allah is with the patient. And do not say about those who are killed in the way of Allah, they are dead. Rather, they are alive, but you perceive it not. And we will surely test you with something of fear and hunger, and loss of wealth, and leaves and fruits. But give good tidings to the patient, who when disaster strikes them, say, indeed, we belong to Allah, and indeed, to Him we will return. Those are the ones upon whom are blessings from their Lord and mercy, and it is those who are the rightly guided. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum. Peace be upon you.
Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.